Hi, today we're gonna cook a Spanish-inspired Ilonggo dish, Hamonado. So, let's begin. So, we're using pork belly or liempo. So, we're gonna put it in a bowl. Put in the soy sauce. On the other side as well. And try to massage the meat so that it marinates. Now put in the lemongrass, onions, garlic, and salt. So now, bring in the butcher's twine. Transfer the meat on the board. So we're gonna do a butcher's knot. Repeat 3 times. The purpose of this so that the ingredients won't come out. Tighten on the other side. Put the excess ingredients inside. And we're ready to put the meat on the pot. Put the excess ingredients. Set your fire on high. Pineapple juice. Pineapple chunks. Fruit cocktail. Beer. Vinegar. About a cup. Brown sugar. A cup. Peppercorn. A cup of white sugar. And a good amount of white pepper. About a cup of sweetened cherries. More sugar, or less a cup. And pineapple slices. Okay, we're gonna mix. Then cover. Okay, set your fire a little bit lower. Set your time to 2 hours. So while waiting, enjoy our little montage. So after an hour, we are ready to flip the meat. So after 1 more hour, we're gonna put our meat on the rack. Then we're gonna bake it on broil for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, it's already brown. We're gonna put it on the serving plate. And now it's ready to assemble. We're gonna put on the pineapple slices on the top. Then we're gonna put the chunks on the side. Then put the cherries on the top. Then pour over the sauce of the hamonado. Oh my god, looks good. Okay, the hamonado is ready to eat. I'm pretty sure your family is gonna enjoy it. This is the moment we've been waiting for. So let's cut the hamonado and find out. Wow, look at that. You could see it looks really delicious. Now, check this out. The juices are literally falling off the hamonado. Now that's amazing. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.